There have been arrangements made throughout the night by the MQM workers on the main Emajana Road. We can see that the women wing is slowly gathering up. Women are also coming in to this rally to protest against the language that was used by the PMLN members against the President of Pakistan. We can see that a lot of members from the Pakistan People's Party have come in. A lot of support for the MQM from the People's Party, their coalition partners, a relaxation of a ban 144 on rallies and different large gatherings. We saw that the Interior Minister himself, Rahman Malik, coming in, looking at the security arrangements that have been made to protect the rally over here. The Home Minister for Sindh, Manzoor Hassan, came in, who informed us that 2,400 police officials are guarding this rally. Over 1,000 Rangers officials are guarding this rally. We can see the bomb disposal squad as well as the K9 dogs, which came in earlier this morning and the afternoon to look at to somehow inspect anything that they might find suspicious. But we can see that the rally is about to start. It's expected that at 4:30 it is expected that the MQM chief Altaf Hussain will be coming in and addressing this large gathering via a telephone. But we can see that, and we can also see that a lot of MQM members of their coordination committee, their provincial and their federal ministers have gathered over here. People holding MQM flags can be seen very well visible over here. We can see that the Pakistani flags are also put in at the Emajana Road. This decoration did take over 12 hours for the MQM. We can see the road have been carpeted so that the people can sit and that this gathering can commence. We can see People's Party members who have also taken part, and that this gathering will be addressed by the MQM chief at 4:30. This is the updates for this hour. This is Ahmed Jung, back to studios.